Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 3.1 Flash Lite in Google AI Studio. So firstly, what you need to do is open any of the web browser you prefer. And after that, type down Google AI Studio and search for it. And once it's searched, here you need to select this Google AI Studio. And make sure your Google AI Studio has been signed in with your Google account, or you can also create a new prompt or chat. And after that, you can create a new prompt or chat over here on the bottom. So in order to use your Gemini 3.1 Flash, you need to select this icon in the top right corner. And from here, select this anti-gravity agent review. So here you can select the model. What you need to type is Gemini 3.1 Lite. And over here, select this Gemini 3.1 Flashlight. And here it has been selected. And after that, you can give a prompt, and it is used for the fast chatbot responses, text summarization, translation, content moderation, and that is it. You can simply give it a prompt and you can select run. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.